The 5 best Breville Espresso machines right now, ranked purely by data, prices, ratings, and over 90,000 real customer reviews. No sponsorships, no opinions. Let's count them down. Starting at number 5, Breville BES 880 BSS, around $960 with a 4.2 star average. Starting at number 4, Breville BES 878 BSS, around $850 with a 4.4 star average. Number 3, Breville BES 870 BSXL. Around $694, rated 4.5 stars by over 27,000 shoppers. Reviewers highlight, saves money compared to coffee shops. Number 2, Breville BES 870 BTR. Around $695, rated 4.5 stars by over 27,000 shoppers. Reviewers highlight, pays for itself over time in savings. Number 1, Breville BES 870 XL. $668, rated 4.5 stars by over 27,000 shoppers. Reviewers highlight, saves money compared to buying coffee daily. With the best balance of rating, review volume and price, it takes our top RecoRader score, 71 out of 100. Prices and ratings change constantly, that's why our comparison tables update every day. Find the full breakdown, including 1-star complaint rates and what reviewers actually say, at RecoRader.com, link in the description.